Are you an aspiring investor looking to get your first investment property, or an experienced landlord looking to add to your investment portfolio? Well, what if I told you that this 2-unit property had long-term tenants and it'll cash flow on day one? I'm Marcus with Savalio & Co., and I am so pleased to share with you our newest listing at 803 Bluff Avenue right here in the city of Sheboygan. But before we head inside and check this place out, I want to tell you a little bit about this neighborhood. We're located on the northern side of downtown, which they call it Uptown. The senior center is just a couple blocks away. There's a new hair salon that just went in, and there's a lot of development coming into this area, making this one heck of an opportunity. But if you want even more than that, if you hop on your bike, you can be to downtown in 10 minutes. If you go straight on down to the east, you are at the lake in absolutely no time, because on Bluff Avenue, you can get to the lakefront in about 10 minutes on a bike. Why don't we take a look at the inside, and then I'll show you around the outside too. When you enter the first floor unit, you're greeted by a living room with a one-of-a-kind plaster ceiling. It's absolutely fantastic. As you go from the living room to the dining room, you can notice these amazing pocket doors. There's a faux fireplace here, a little alcove on this side, and on that side a closet and a bedroom with a wraparound wall. We're entering into the kitchen, which also has a very unique ceiling. All the appliances are included on this unit. And through this door here, you get to the full bath, another bedroom, first floor laundry, and a way out the back to a bunch of parking stalls. Why don't we head upstairs and I'll show you the rest. On the second floor, you're going to notice some large windows, so this place gets plenty of natural light. There's a small bedroom over here, living room, dining room, another bedroom over here, mechanicals to our right, so this does have its own mechanicals for this level. And then we've got the kitchen with a third bedroom and a full bath. And this leads out to the back, where you'll find extra parking. Now, in some areas of Sheboygan, when you get a duplex, parking is an issue, but not here. We've got 4 spaces off-street parking right here. You've got some on-street parking if you need to have a couple extra guests over. This place is absolutely fantastic on the outside too. Completely redone siding, and look at this beautiful landscaping. I am Marcus with Savalio & Co., brokered by eXp Realty, and I would love to show this place to you, so give me a call, text, or email, and we'll make this property your next investment.